What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Christina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video. So in today's video, guys, we're going to be talking about
toughest thing we've come across on eBay so far. Criticism.
Yes. So we got a whole video planned out, so we hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so now that you guys are back, her name is Christina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it all on YouTube for about 6 months now. So we've been selling on eBay, we've been doing a lot of thrifting, retail arbitrage, so you should definitely check out all of our videos. You can have a good laugh as well. So today we're gonna be I gotta replay that. So today we're gonna be talking about
the toughest thing that we've come across on eBay so far.
And that has been criticism. It's just from other people, from our family, from the sellers, from everybody.
But not terrible criticism, like critical criticism and stuff that really has helped us. So that's where we want to take this video with you guys.
And it's been kind of hard. So, well, I mean, we're going to get into it, but I'm just kind of giving you a little. But it's been kind of a little hard sometimes to. No, we'll just get into it. So.
Okay. All right. So at first, we were getting a lot of people that were telling. Well, let me back up. Sorry. When we were looking at our listings and stuff, we would look at them and think that they were good listings, and we would think that they were good pictures, good descriptions, good blah blah whatever, but they weren't. They really weren't. And so it was really hard for us to hear at first that they weren't good listings,
because we thought we were doing our best. We were like, well, we can't do any better, these are awesome. Like, these are the best listings ever. Exactly. And it was just so tough for us to hear that, like, our pictures, our descriptions, our everything
lighting,
sucked,
and even the items we were sourcing sucked.
Everything was so bad. And
so we really had to kind of like look at ourselves and look at what we were doing and just like decide that we wanted to change it. So like even though we thought that that was the best listing that we've ever done, there were tons of things we could have done better. Better lighting, better cropping, better, like, literally everything. And so it was just really tough for us to hear at first that like they weren't good, because we thought they were amazing. We thought they were
really good.
Yes. But we took that criticism and turned it around. First, we found better items now, and not just any kind of item. We will actually look through the clothes and look through our dollar tags to see what is of quality, what is good, like a good brand or just a good piece of clothing. We actually look for that now. Before, we were kind of just
it's $1, let's pick it up.
Exactly. Like
anything that was $1, let's buy it.
Yeah, because you can make some profit off $1, but you really can't. So
no, we have so many things that, I mean, they will sell eventually, but might as well just donate it.
Yes, exactly. And so that was really tough at first for us to learn that we really had to discipline on what we were sourcing, because I mean, as you guys know, we literally just finished our death pile from when we first started sourcing. Yeah. So that was also tough to go through and look at all of our crappy decisions on some of the clothes that we bought. Yeah. But number 2 is we got a good camera for better quality pictures, which isn't necessary, but it's something that we needed for YouTube, and it's something that we thought would benefit our pictures. And so on top of that, we got a better whole setup for our pictures. We got better lighting and a better camera, so it's not just this grainy like potato picture.
Yeah.
And then, well, number 3 was that we set up a dedicated spot for pictures now. So even before though, we would have a white sheet on a table and we would move that around all over, and you can even see in some of our, well, you can't really see, but I know in some of our pictures, like the lighting's coming in different from a different window or something. But now we have it in a sectioned off white closet with a white sheet, white everything, and so any kind of reflection from light is always white. Yeah. So we don't have to worry about shadows or anything, so it's really nice. So that's something that helped us, you know, step it up, because it really was a big criticism that we got, was that our pictures weren't that good. And we literally, I could not understand, because I was like, I am taking immaculate pictures here.
They were good to us.
But But you really got to think, like, if you're a buyer, do you really want to be looking at like an iPhone, like, or like living room lighting kind of like picture? You don't really want that. So, and then number 4 on the list, we set up a lighting contraption.
Yes.
So we have our actual light that lights up our bedroom. We have a bright white light that we put on the front part that can turn and focus and move all around.
Yeah.
And so that's really helped us, is that we have just an actual white light, not a yellow light.
That's what's coming on us right now.
Yes, that's where you get these good angles from. And then number 5 on the list is that we got lots of criticism for our descriptions, and I'm not kidding you when I say they're the worst descriptions ever. They were line by line, like, thank you for checking out our listing, this is the title, blah, 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 returns accepted. And so now what we've done is we've made templates for our listings. So I think for clothes, it has a generic template, but then I'll add some things into it. I'll add our measurements or whatever, change the color. It looks really good now. And so,
yeah, they look awesome.
And so that was a big step up, is our descriptions are eye-popping. Like, someone could actually be interested in reading them, because it's not just like blah 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 thanks, you know.
Yeah.
So that was a big thing. And then number 6, finally, we got a routine down for listings that I do every single time, but that's for another video. But basically, every time I know I have to search up the listing, look at the sold price, I have to change the title to how I want it, I need to put our categories in, put the whatever, you know, just go down the whole list, and I do that every single time in the same order, because it just ensures that you're getting a good routine out of it and you're actually doing it right every single time, because you're doing the same thing every single time. So just the routine of doing 6,000 listings, you know, you're bound to get good at them eventually. Yeah.
So that was our video, guys. That was the toughest thing we've had to overcome, was definitely
criticism.
So we hope you guys enjoyed. We hope you guys don't get as much criticism as we did. We hope you guys are doing a lot better than us, how we started. But
yes,
if you need help, definitely hit us up. We will gladly help you out on your eBay store. So find us on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter.
Email us.
So yeah, or email us. So that was our video. Make sure to smash the like button if you guys like this video. Leave a comment down below if you got any questions. Till next video, till tomorrow. Peace, guys. Go crush it.
We're both wearing blue. How cute.
I'm gonna go change real quick. We're gonna be talking about criticism,
The toughest thing we've come across on eBay so far.
So we're gonna.
I had a whole spiel. It was criticism.
Wait, what do you mean? Oh, I cut you off?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Documenting it all on YouTube for about 5, 6.
And then, oh, dang, I spoiled number 3. And then number 6, finally, we got a retweet.